1, 2, 3.
How do we not have traction?
All right.
Back up some more.
We'll back up and pop it.
Oh gosh.
Come on back. Good.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Jared.
Do not go off in front of this thing. I'll run up here.
You can be on your
That's
back
almost
again.
it.
You threw me off.
Hey, can I get on your back again?
No,
That wasn't my choice.
we're trying to pop a wheelie.
More weight. The hell get on Jared's lap.
No. All right, let me know.
Come on back more. Come on back more.
Oh,
A little bit more.
It's about to rain.
it is raining. I can feel it.
Come on back just a little bit more. There you go. Now just.
What?
Now you just gotta flat out gun it.
Yeah.
Jared, do not get off this thing no matter what.
Did we get it?
No, but it's really hot. Oh, that was neat.
Back.
Whoa!
You know.
Whoa! Woo! All right. You know how hard I was trying to hold
We
on
were
to
going
stay?
so fast that you couldn't fall off.
I was about to roll off. I was like, it was rolling.
Lisa, I got a minute.